In this video, you will learn how to replace the taillights on a 1992 to 1995 Honda Civic. Please make sure you have all the tools shown here before you proceed with the installation. We'll begin by opening the trunk. Disconnect the taillight harness located behind the trunk lid. Remove 3 8mm nuts as you see here. Now we can remove the taillight from the trunk lid. Here, we will swap over the taillight circuit and cover over onto the new taillight. With the new taillight in position, tighten the 3 8mm nuts that were removed earlier, then reconnect the taillight harness. Inside the trunk, remove the plastic cover you see here. Disconnect the taillight harness, then remove 4 8mm nuts. Now let's transfer the taillight sockets and harness over onto the new taillight. Place the new taillight onto the car. Tighten 4 8mm nuts, then reconnect the taillight harness. Replace the plastic cover. Please make sure to check all electrical connections and light function before taking your car back on the road. Thank you for choosing K2 Motor Videos to assist you. Please visit K2 Motor for more products.